Hi everyone, this is Rucha and I welcome you to Spiritual Sundays. Did you know that in our Indian culture, there is one festival that is celebrated to mark the beginning of the winter season? Yes, and it is celebrated in Jagannath Puri by the devotees of Lord Jagannath. This festival is called Odana Shashti. So, Shashti means sixth day. So, on the sixth day of the bright fortnight of the month of Margashish, which is typically around December, from now on till Makar Sankranti, till about mid-Jan, Lord Jagannath Baldeva are draped in winter clothing. So this festival is said to be a beginning of, making the Lord wear winter clothes, and fresh new clothing is offered to the Lord. So the speciality of this clothing is that it is purchased directly from the weavers and without removing the starch, it is offered to the Lord. Now, as per Shastras, before you offer any new piece of cloth to the Lord, you're supposed to remove the starch and perhaps pre-wash it and remove the starch and make the Lord wear that. But on this day of Odna Shashti, a cloth with the starch on is offered to the Lord. And this happens by the desire and the will of the Lord. So, from this day onwards till mid-Jan, the Lord is draped in these clothes. And is celebrated with great pomp, and the Lord is offered beautiful clothes through this whole festival, and beautiful golden jewelry, gold and precious stones, and fragrant flowers are offered, and fragrant oils and incense, and lovely bogas and prasad is offered to the Lord, and this festival is celebrated with great pomp and fervor. So there is an interesting story that's associated with this festival, and I would like to tell you that. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who was an incarnation of Lord Jagannath or Lord Krishna himself, used to visit this festival on this day of Odna Shashti. Once what happened, one of his very close associates called Pundarik Vidyanidhi also accompanied him to this festival, because it was such a most talked about festival, and it was really amazing. So he went along with him. And there he saw that, a starched cloth is being offered to the Lord. I mean, this was like completely against the Shastric injunctions. So he was very upset about it, and he started criticizing those devotees who were doing that. And hearing him, another devotee told him, his name was Swarup Damodar, he told him that, Dekh bhai, whatever happens in Jagannath Puri is by the will of Lord Jagannath, so, you don't criticize, nahi to you will fall into trouble. Lene ke dene pad jayenge, tu isme se, dur reh. Nahi to faltu mein, you will get trapped in this. So he said, no, but this is not right, and this is not how you're supposed to worship the Lord, and he just went on criticizing. He said, Dekh bhai, I am warning you. Jada panga mat le, nahi to tu phas jayega. So he, he did not listen. He went back to his house and he slept. Now that night, Lord Jagannath came in his dreams and gave him one tight slap on his cheek. Why? You know why he did that? Because he did not like that he criticized what his devotees were doing for him. Next day, he went to his friends and the other devotee, saying that, look at this, gaal pe tappad pada hai. He's like, Dekh bhai, maine tujhe bola tha, don't take pangas, you will fall into trouble. So, it's not like the Lord is, punishing people and his devotees, but through this story, what the Lord wanted to say or to send the message across is that whatever happens is by my will. And it is the will of the Lord that is, the highest. So please don't criticize, whatever the Lord has in mind and what the Lord has planned and what is his will and desire. And do not criticize his devotees who are serving him with a lot of love and devotion. This is the message that Lord Jagannath wanted to send across through Pundarik Vidyanidhi. So next time, if you go to Jagannath Puri, and you happen to see something or hear something that you probably find critical or you don't like, चुपचाप वापस आ जाओ. Don't say anything, don't criticize, because whatever happens there is by the desire and the will of the Lord, and that is always what will prevail. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.